Sets. Example 10. Consider the set of all students at a local high school. And the school has a cross-country team, which is in the fall, and a track team, which is in the spring. Let's call the set of all athletes on the cross-country team set C, and the set of all athletes on the track team set T. So example 10a says, for the high school, describe what is a universal set. So it says, consider the set of all students at a local high school. So I don't really need this who right here. That just is the universal set. I did a lot of copy paste for these because the rest of these are going to need to be in context of our universal set. So that's why you will see where I have the set of all students at a local high school who. So on B, for the high school described, who would be in the set C union T? So that would be the cross-country team or the track team. So if you look up at your definitions of union, formally we're looking that X is the element of A or B or both. So in this case, that would be who is on the cross-country team. And according to the definition, I would have to say or the track team or both. So all I did was just use the definition and then use my particular situation in example 10 to write out my description. So for the high school, let's look at C. For the high school, describe who would be in the set C intersect T. So our context is a set of all students at a local high school who, and if you look at your definition, it would be something that's an element of one set and the other. So that would be all students at a local high school who are on the cross-country team. And our operative word for the intersection will be and the track team. To be continued on the next page. So example 10D says, for the high school, describe who would be in the set of the complement of C. So again, we have to define the universal set, the set of all students at a local high school who, and then look at your definition. It would be the students who are not in set C, who are not on the cross-country team. And then E, for the high school, describe who would be in the difference, in the set difference of T and C. So looking at your definition, they would be in that first set, but not, and not in the second one. So the set of all students at a local high school who are on the track team and are not on the cross-country team.